Hello friends, welcome back to Season Life Kitchen, where we find comfort and grounding in simple, delicious meals that fit our busy lives. Picture this, it's a Monday evening, work emails are still buzzing in your head, the kids are hungry, and honestly, all you want is something fast but nourishing. This recipe is for those days. It's not fancy, it's not fussy, but it brings everyone around the table with a smile. And sometimes that's exactly the kind of grounding we need. To start, heat a pan with a drizzle of olive oil, season your steak with salt, pepper, and any dry seasoning of your choice, and sear them quickly until brown but still tender. Whilst this cooks, you have the option of throwing in further spices if you want, like a thyme, rosemary, and some butter and garlic. Once it's done, you can set it aside. Prepare your pasta by cooking in some hot water and season with salt. This cooks for about 15 to 20 minutes. This dish requires very simple pantry staples from your kitchen. In my case, I had tomatoes, onions, some mushrooms, carrots, and some green peas. Really up to you. You have the choice of using whatever vegetables you want. You can see here, I have my little one trying to get help whilst I was cooking. Sometimes we think it's a distraction. I am reminded that I'm a parent and need to be mindful and be present for my child sometimes. Pro tip, mummies, if you need your kids to eat vegetables, one way to do it sometimes is to get them involved in cooking. In my case, I'm very lucky. My daughter loves vegetables, so it's a win for me. Over here, I'm checking in on the pasta to make sure it's cooked. Looks like it, so on to the next preparation. After allowing the steak to sit in its juices, I proceed to cut them into bite sizes. We are ready to put the entire meal together. In a pan, add in some olive oil, throw in onions, and cook until fragrant. Toss in your tomatoes and let it simmer long enough to create a light rustic sauce. Then toss in whatever vegetables you may have in mind. In my case, I had some mushrooms, so I tossed it in. I decided to cook my green peas and carrots in a different pan because that's how my daughter loves it sometimes. Add in some seasoning of choice, can be salt, black pepper, what have you. I had some cream that I wanted to use for more flavor, so I added 2 scoops of the cream to this. I can tell you it made a ton of difference. So if you have cream, go ahead and use it. If you don't, that's okay too. Now throw in the cooked pasta. You can tell from this dish my favorite thing is probably stirring, right? And then you can toss in the cut up steak. Don't forget the juices from the steak preparation. They are flavorful as well. You can toss that in. Within minutes, you've got a hearty, balanced meal. Protein, veggies, and pasta all in one dish. I tossed in some chopped parsley and some pepper flakes. These are all very optional and you can add them if you have it. If you don't, that's okay too. Cooking like this reminds me that dinner doesn't need to be complicated or feel special. Sometimes it is the act of bringing everything together in one pan, just like how we pull our busy lives into balance at the end of the day. I'd love to hear from you what's your favorite quick meal when life gets overwhelming. Share in the comments below your ideas that might inspire another mom.